started.
Okay, so friends, I'm Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 7, we are taking the subject that is intelligent test, and our today's topic is comprehension. Now see, comprehension means what? It is the process of understanding the information. Means in this topic some information is given to you. You have to read it very carefully, and if you understood that information accurately, then you can solve the problems accurately. Otherwise, you will get the wrong answer. Okay. Now, for this, you all should know the things which are important. Now, what are the things that are important to move ahead to the intelligent test ka topic? So, there are so many things that you should know the sequence of alphabets. Okay, means A to Z, the sequence you should know. Okay, now when we say that from left side, okay, so when we say from left side, you have to count. Left means your left side, not the book ka left side. You are facing the book, and whichever is your left hand, you have to count from that left hand side. Okay, when we say right hand side, then you have to take your right hand and you have to count it from the right hand side. For example, now suppose the one word is there, school. Okay, now in the first topic they might ask you about the consonant and or vowel ka position. Okay, so if I said which is the third letter in the word given below, which is the third letter in the word given below, so from left side. Okay, so I told you that you have to find out the letter which is at the third position in the given word school from the left side. So you have to count from S, not from the L. So S has position 1, C 2, H 3, O 4, second O 5, and L as a sixth position. So which is the third letter here? That is H. Okay, and if I didn't mention any side, then also you have to count from the left end only. Okay, so even if they had not mentioned the side, you have to count from the left end only. You must know how many vowels are there in English alphabet. So we all know there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest all are the consonant. They are 21 in number. We all know about the odd even numbers. What is meant by even number? So even number is always divisible by 2, and unit place there is always the digit as 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so the number which is divisible by 2, and if its unit place has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, either any number, then the number is called as even number. And odd number means it is not divisible by 2 and its unit place has the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, so these things you must know. And what is mean by prime number also known to you? The number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself is called as prime numbers. Okay, successive prime number means if 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the prime number, 2 and 3 are the successive prime number, 5 and 7 are the successive prime number, means next prime number to that are known as successive prime numbers. So these are the basic things. Even before we start the comprehension ka topic, I think you all understood. Okay, So I will explain it in Hindi also again, because some students can't understand. Okay. So just now I will just explain, as I had told you, कि हमको कॉम्प्रिहेंशन मतलब क्या, कि ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन रहेगी, अगर हम लोग वो इंफॉर्मेशन को एक्यूरेटली पढ़ेंगे तो हमको सीक्वेंस पता चलेगा, एंड आफ्टर रीडिंग इट एक्यूरेटली वी कैन फाइंड द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके. सो उसके लिए कुछ बेसिक चीजें जानना जरूरी थी.
Has started.
Okay. So one question is a little bit tricky one that I will take first, and then we'll move ahead. Okay. Now see, one second. Huh? Okay. Now see, what is that question? A little progress each day adds up to the big result. Okay. This is one sentence given to you. Which word occurs at the fourth place to the right of the third word to the left of the fifth word from the beginning of the sentence? Now here, if you start solving from this fourth place to the right of the third word, then you might get the wrong answer. Okay. Now what is the correct method to solve it? Just first read this one. Fifth word from the beginning of the sentence. Now you have to count which is the fifth word from the beginning of the sentence. Beginning of the sentence means from the left hand side. Now see, A is 1 number, little is 2 number, progress is 3 number, each is 4 number, day is 5 number. Now we got our fifth word from the beginning, which is day. Okay. Now what is given? Third word to the left of fifth. Now third word to the left of fifth. Now fifth word is day, and left of this word means our left hand side from day. Now count which is the third word from the left hand side, from the left of this fifth word. So each is the first word, progress is the second, and little is the third one. Now we solve this one portion and this one portion. Now fourth place to the right of the third word. Now this is the third word, which is little. Now we have to calculate the fourth place to the right of it. Now again, progress to the right of it means we have to move to our right hand side. So progress is the first word, each is the second, day is the third, and adds is the fourth word from the right, from the right of this third word, which is left to the fifth word from the beginning. Means you have to start from the end, then you will get the correct answer. Okay. एक बार फिर से I will explain कि we have to find the fourth place to the right of the third word which is to the left of the fifth word from the beginning. Now first we have to find the word which is fifth from the beginning, and we found that that was day, because from beginning we calculated the words, and the word which is of the fifth number, it is day. Now these fifth words, left hand side third word they had mentioned. So from day we move to left hand side and calculated the third word which is little, and now we find the actual answer which is the fourth place to the right of this third word. So to the right we are moving, and we had calculated the fourth word which is to the right of the third word which is left, from the fifth, which is the fifth word from the beginning. So our answer must be adds. Okay, so this first question only, it was very little bit tricky, so I feel the need to explain it to you. Okay, now we will directly move to the practice exercise, or we will solve the examples. Now see, very first question is, in the word praise, which number of the letters form the name of an animal? Now here some sequences given: 1 4 3 3 1 6 3 6 1. What is it? Now it is the number of letters in this word. Now praise, for PRAISE, praise, we will give it the number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now pick up the letters. 1 4 3 means PIE. PIE, is there any meaningful animal ka name? You just think and you find the answer. 316 APE. Ape is a name of animal. So your answer is 2, means option number 2. So this is a one kind of pattern on which they ask the question. After a hearty lunch, my parents and my younger sister lay down for an afternoon nap, and I settled down with the storybook. In this line, the words will, how many letters occur the maximum number of times we have to find. Now see, 3-letter word occur maximum time, or 4-letter word maximum time occurs, or 6-letter or 7 letters, that we have to find. So first of all, what we have to do here, you have to give the numbers, or you have to count how many letters are there in each word first. Okay, so you can do it at home, or this is for homework. How you have to count? After, in the after, how many letters are there? 5. Here 1. Hardly 6. So like this you have to count how many letters are there in each word. Now if 6-letter words come maximum time, your option is 6. If 5 letters word come maximum time, your option is 5. Second option, 7 letters, that you can think aram se and you can solve at home. Okay, good result depends upon the quality and quantity of work put in it. What is the second word to the right of the fourth word to the left of the sixth word from the beginning? Okay, now it is like the first question only. You have to find first left of the first sixth word from the beginning, means here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Quality is the sixth word from the beginning, and you have to go to left hand side of it to find the fourth word, and then you have to find the second word to the right of that fourth word. So again, this is for your homework. Half of the sum I had already explained to you. Now here you have to find the meaningful word from the given letters, and you have to find the first letter adjacent to the right side of the fourth letter. Now the meaningful word will be language, and we have to find the first letter adjacent to the right side of the fifth letter. Now which is the fifth letter? You have to find 1 2 3 4 5. U is the fifth letter. Okay, now first letter adjacent to the right side of the fifth letter. Now which is the right side of the U? A, G, E are in the right side of the U. So the first letter is A. So your answer is option number 3. Okay. In the word education, which is the third letter to the right of the second letter to the left of the third letter from the right? Again, solved from the end. First find the third letter from the right, then find the second letter to the left of this third letter, then third letter to the right of that second letter. Again, this is for your homework. Okay. Now, great scientists are perseverating and never deterred by difficulties. In this sentence, how many words have two successive consonants? Now you have to find that how many words have two successive consonant in the that sentence. Okay, so how you can find? Now see, great. In the word great, G and R are the successive consonant. Okay. Scientist, SC are the successive consonant. Then NT is also successive consonant. STS also successive consonant are here. So like this you have to count how many successive consonants are there. And if you count it, then you will find there are 6 such a words that have two successive consonants. Now see, A is assigned as number 1, B as 3, C as 5, D as 7, E as 9. Okay, means see, if we write the A B C D up to the Z, A is at number 1 position, B is at second position, C is at third position. Okay, D is at fourth position. But here the numbering is not given like successive number. Here the numbering is given as 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then E is assumed as 9. So every number ka numbering get changed. Okay, now we have to find the word for ban. Now see, you have to give the numbers up to n. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Then this is 19, 21, 23, 25 and N is given as 27. Now B, for B the number is 3, for A the number is 1. So 3, 1, 27 is the correct option. So like this you have to think. Okay, now rest of the thing you try at home. If you have some difficulties, then we will take the topic on that. Okay, now the next topic is depend on noun, pronoun, adverb, synonyms, antonyms, greater number, smaller number, punctuation marks, all the things we should know before we move ahead. Okay, arrangement of the word according to the dictionary means you should know alphabetical orders, everything, idioms, phrases, proverbs, this all the knowledge you know before you solve the next exercise. Okay, so be prepared of all the things and solve the rest of the problems. We will take the next topic in the next class about the knowledge of language. Okay, so here we will take a leave.